Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Life as Tiff Knows It. Tiff here bringing you an unboxing. It is an unexpected unboxing. That's hard to say, unexpected unboxing, because this was a gift to me from my lovely coworkers. I am so excited about it. I've already looked at it, but I wanted to show you as well too. So before I forget, this is from an Amazon shop called Coleey, spelled Coleey, I believe. I will make sure to put a screenshot of it and all the information in text as well. And I do not know the cost because it was a gift. So this is a custom diamond painting. I was debating on whether or not showing it because it is a picture of my daughter, but to be completely honest, I've had my daughter on my channel quite a bit, so I'm okay with it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just so excited about it. So let's look at the image. Hopefully you can see the full image. Put this to the side. It is a little, it's been in here for a while. I'm gonna unroll it first. Or roll it the other way rather. The material on the back is it's not that soft material that you're going to get on like a Diamond Art Club. I personally really like that it's not the soft material. I do not like soft things, which is, I know, kind of strange to me. But, okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh, her face looks so funny because of the plastic cover on it. Let me show you. Let me try to do it from a different angle here. Isn't that cute? That is a picture of my daughter. It obviously you can probably tell that the print itself is not terribly vibrant, and I actually really appreciate that. It has 39 colors on it. It is a 50 by 60 size kit, and I just absolutely love it. It is round drills, and let's check the stickiness of it. Very sticky. The quality is definitely there, I feel like. Let's look at the drill field. So as you can see, it's super clear. That's clearer than like some high-end diamond painting companies that I've seen. And obviously, because this is a custom image, what you get might be more confetti heavy. However, this one's not. Look at all this color blocking here. There's twos, lots of twos and C's, I would consider this to be color blocking confetti. And if you're new to the terms of diamond painting, color blocking means that you're doing the same of one color in a given area, and then confetti means you're switching up the colors a lot. So there is a bit of confetti on the sides of this diamond painting, but for the most part, I think this is going to be a really easy diamond painting to work on. It's going to work up nicely. Let's look at the symbols here. So if we look at the symbols, they all are relatively different. Looks like they're using letters and numbers first, going from 0 to 9 and then all the way through the alphabet. Trying to see if there's any that are very similar. I'm not seeing any so far. Like maybe the I and the J, that could be maybe a little bit confusing. We'll have to see. And then they go all the way through the alphabet, and then there's only 3 symbols. I really do like that. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It's so funny, the glare on her face, but I'm not going to take the protective cover off. So let's see what else this kit came with. Obviously the drills. Look, holy cow, look at all of those drills. That is amazing. This is going to be it is a relatively big project. I'm hesitant to open up the bag of drills because I have so many diamond paintings as of late. I don't want to get them confused. But one thing I do appreciate is when diamond painting companies do have a code of how many drills are within the diamond painting. And it looks like somebody hand counted all of these. I like that there's a picture. There is also a small picture of the actual image in the corner as well, but that's what the original picture was, and I am so curious to see how it turns out. I think it's going to be great. So the symbol that has the most is going to be J, which probably, I would imagine, I don't know what color that would be. Would it be her skin? I feel that there'd be more of the pink or the green. The green takes up a lot of the image. It does have a little little instruction guide of how to diamond paint, but if you're watching this video, you probably already know how to diamond paint. And then the drills themselves are going to be a lot of different colors. So I've gone too far. I'm going to just show you. It's interesting to me that they are just coming in baggies and they're not all one chain. I bet with these custom companies that make custom diamond paintings, they do just have like a bunch of drills that are certain colors, and then they pick and choose instead of like packaging them together. So we got lots of browns. How best do I do this? I'll just show you the colors. I don't think there's going to be any ABs. I do believe these are DMC code, which is nice. I would imagine, I'm wondering if her face is going to look super pink. I know skin tones I hear are just hard on diamond paintings, but I'm so excited. Kind of a dark brown here. Lots of shades of peach. I want to know if they have the middle of the flower, if they have some of the yellow, because the middle of the flower is yellow. So I'm looking for that, really. I'm excited. Wonder what this blue is going to be. Maybe if it picked up the blue from her unicorns. I wonder if those are going to show up clear at all. Lots of darks. Lots of pinks for her outfit. It's so funny. Like, this is going to be such a fun project, because that trip, we went to the cabin for this trip, and you know, it was a beautiful picture of her and a beautiful memory of going to my husband's family's cabin. So many pinks. I love it. I love it. This is going to be, it motivates me to get through my current projects of diamond painting so I can start working on this. And I'd be honored to hang it up in my house. And my grandpa, Denise's grandpa, my father-in-law, also was like, well, can't find a place for it, I'll take it. And he never is a huge fan of diamond painting. So what a great way to to do a diamond painting that I'm getting my father-in-law on board. And then I get to see it all the time because I go over there all the time. So we'll have to see. That purple, I wonder, must be part of the unicorn she's wearing. Just a lot of pinks, another blue. Here was where we're going to start getting into the greens. Lots of browns, because there is a stack of woods over here. So, or a stack of, yeah, like wood. More pinks. Yeah, I bet it's going to be so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I sometimes hate doing unboxings because I get so excited and I know I can't start projects right away. More pinks, grays. And in terms of the quality of the drills, I'm not seeing any problems with them. I mean, doing round drills is pretty safe, I would say. So many pinks. All right, we got some greens. Lots of is this the same green? This is all one green. And then I cannot even tell the difference. Okay. This green's a little bit lighter on this side. Okay. I'm not seeing any yellow. I'm a little bummed that they didn't make the flower yellow to pop. But I'm sure it's all going to look great. Lots of browns still, purples, and then more pink. So, yes, I guess at this current point in time, I have no reservations in like recommending this Amazon company to you. I love that you can be creative, and you know, you're not breaking any copyright laws. You're not doing anything wrong by artists by going through an Amazon company for your own photo. And that's what's so cool. And, you know, I was just reflecting on kind of an idea of, with photos that I just really like, maybe trying to make them into diamond paintings and sell them at craft shows. Because if you've been watching other videos of mine, you will know that I'm currently in like on a knitting kick and wanting to do craft shows. So wouldn't it be cool to take pictures of art, you know, like photography that you enjoy, create them into diamond paintings, and then sell them to people? Oh my gosh, y'all, I don't know. It's the, you know, the sky's the limit. Obviously, I would not sell an image of my daughter, but sorry about the glare as well. It's so hard filming diamond paintings, unboxings. There's a good angle of it. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So thank you so much for watching. If you have already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. It just means the world to me when I see I have new subscribers. I appreciate all your support. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye!